So welcome again. Next is the tutorial 4 complete. So go to actions. So you can see the different strategies. I will generate all the strategies and then go to action, simulate. So here you can see a toolpath is still generating. So here you can see the toolpath is still generating, pending. So some strategies 56% completed. So pending. Once this is completed, you can see the simulation. So here the horizontal strategy, pencil strategy, parallel pencil strategy is pending. Yeah, it is completed. This, that final one, parallel pencil strategy. Completed. Then go to actions, simulate, click the simulation. The adaptive strategy. Will increase the speed. Okay. Then pocket strategy. Then contour strategy. Then scallop strategy. Then horizontal strategy, pencil strategy. And parallel pencil strategy. Okay, so then go to post process, Fanuc, save. So you will get the code. Okay, you can take this code and you can generate the setup sheet. So here the total number of tools, number of operations 8 and number of tools is 4. So 4 tools and different operations. Okay.